She rescued him from a tiny cage at a pet store, wings clipped, spirit broken. At first, the parrot wouldn't speak, wouldn't trust, but she never gave up. Day by day, she sat by him, talked to him, played soft music, shared fruit from her hand. Then one morning he spoke. "I love you." It was quiet, but it changed everything. Now, he follows her everywhere, laughs when she laughs, cries when she cries. A true emotional companion with feathers. Their bond? It's not just pet and owner, it's soulmates in two different forms. Like, share, and subscribe for more heart-touching animal stories.